Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to animate text in Canva for social media. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to animate text in Canva for social media, all you got to do is simply go to Canva. Once you're in your Canva, you can simply start by scratch, or you can simply choose a template. Once you've selected the template as well according to your preference, you can now simply tap on the text that you want to write. If it has a text, then you can leave it as it is, or you can simply type it in and simply tap on it. Once you simply tap on that text, you can simply find the option called Animate. Once you tap on Animate, now you can get different fonts and styles that are available for this particular text. Now you can simply tap on it and make it animated according to your wish. So if you gotta do this, then you can simply choose from the preset styles or create your animation on your own as well and simply export it. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.